Welcome back! Today we're making classic French onion soup, rich, comforting, and full of deep flavor. Slow caramelized onions, beef broth, wine, and melted cheese on top of toasted bread. This is the traditional recipe, and I'll show you step by step how to make it at home. Let's get started. Caramelize the onions, heat the butter and olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and a pinch of salt. Cook for 30 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the onions become deep golden brown and very soft. This is the most important step for developing rich flavor, so don't rush it. It's time to add the flour, brandy, and wine. Add the flour and stir well, cooking for about 30 seconds to remove the raw flour taste. Pour in the brandy and stir to combine. Add the white wine and mix well with the onions. Add the broth. Pour in the beef stock and add the thyme. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Assemble the soup. Ladle the soup into oven-safe bowls. Place toasted bread on top of each bowl. Cover generously with grated cheese. Melt the cheese. Place the bowls under a hot grill for 3 to 5 minutes. Cook until the cheese is melted, bubbling, and slightly golden on top. Serve hot, the bread will soak up the soup, and the melted cheese creates the classic French onion soup crust. And that's it! Classic French onion soup, rich, cheesy, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.